What's the meaning of annoy? Annoy. 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 Annoy.
Annoy means to disturb or irritate someone, causing them to feel angry or frustrated. When someone is annoyed, they may show signs of impatience such as sighing or rolling their eyes. The result of being annoyed can vary depending on the situation, but it can lead to tension and conflict in personal relationships or decreased productivity and motivation in a work setting. Repeated annoyances can also cause long-term negative effects on mental health, leading to feelings of stress and anxiety.